This is your 2024 Delta Cup Day number 3 for this week as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for day number 1 of this Friday quadruple header as we will see Gian Cruz and the rest of Bayung Porac looking to bounce back after their loss 2 games ago. Makakatapat nila itong Municipality of Arayat dito sa ating first game, and that is our games today. Bayung Porac versus Municipality of Arayat. Mamaya second game natin, Ing Malugod Candaba versus Macabebe Warriors. Angeles City Red Warriors versus Ing Bayung Mexico. And for the main game, it's GUIAO Tulong-Tulong Tayo versus Santa Ana Unite. At ito po, dalawang koponan na maglalaban-laban ngayon between our first game, Bayung Porac, Coach Arvin Ibay. Let's see, syempre, live po kami ngayon sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. Doon nyo po pwedeng mapanood ang aming 4 na laro. And syempre, also, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Pampanga space or underscore PIO. Live din po ang ating mga laro doon. The 4 games that we have today is going to be exciting. And also, of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. Naka-live din po ang aming 4 games doon sa Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. And as we can see, etong team standings natin dito for Bracket A and Bracket B. For Bracket A, itong Municipality of Arayat 0-4 in coming into today's ballgame. Can they get their first win dito? But itong Bayung Porac 1-3 looking to get their second win dito sa ating tournament and makaangat pa sa team standings ngayon for the Bracket A as of January 25, 2024 po yung team standings na yan. And ngayon po, hindi na namin kayo pag-aantayin pa. Coming up, it's the battle between Bayung Porac kontra the Municipality of Arayat. And now to introduce the starters of this ballgame, let's turn it over to Ryan Anthony.
Good morning, basketball fans. Live from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Another day of competition has come. This is the elimination round of your 2023-24 Delta Cup into Municipality-Cities Basketball Tournament, powered by Sinag Liga Asia. We're live on Facebook at facebook.com/Pampanga PIO Public Information Office, and on YouTube at Sinag Liga TV. First game of our quadruple header featuring Bayung Porac versus Arayat. Let's read the starters first for Bayung Porac. Small forward number 0, Miko Gigante. Power forward number 22, Nino Vasquez. Center number 9, Gian Cruz. Point guard number 15, JM Gigante. And shooting guard number 23, Racapulo. Head coach for Porac is Arvin Ibay, assisted by Larry Carlos and Lloyd Rivera. And now let's meet the starters for the Municipality of Arayat. And forward number 9, Harold Canlas. The other forward number 13, Kian Borja. Center number 18, Jordan Rodriguez. Point guard number 5, Michael Pare. And shooting guard number 15, Justin Daluso. Head coach for Arayat is Eddie Castillo, assisted by Ricardo Mesa. Team staff is Josie Mesa. Your referee in charge of this first game are Dennis Escaros, Birds Isuga, and Willie Hibe.
Ito ang ating starters for this ballgame for Bayung Porac. To start with Jordan Gigante, Papa Capulong, Gian Cruz, Miko Gigante, and Nino Vasquez para naman dito sa Municipality of Arayat. To start with Ken, the Municipality of Arayat, finally get their first win, or will Bayung Porac get their second victory of the tournament dito in this ball game as first possession goes to the men in white representing Bayung Porac. The two Gigantes starting it off now in this ball game, talking about Nico and Joren. Gigante and Joren playing point. 7 seconds on their shot clock. Joren drops it down low. Gian underneath, kicks it out to Papa. Capulong needs to fire. No good yung tira na yun. Here comes Arayat. Pare on the attack, dishes it on the baseline. Oh, good floater right there para dito kay Canlas of Arayat. Vasquez from the outside, in and out para dito kay Vasquez. Here comes Canlas. Drops it off to Pare. They kick it over. Oh, good up fake. Oh, but the jumper was blocked. The Luzon's jumper partially blocked by Vasquez. Corner three-pointer is a little bit Borja. Here comes itong Bayung Porac, who did lose their last game on Wednesday against Mexico as a three-pointer by Gigante. No good. That's Miko Gigante, who did not play against Mexico last Wednesday. So much needed boost for the troops of Coach Arvin Ibay. So Bayung Porac as a floater by Pares and no good. Miko with a rebound. Oh, good extra pass to Gian, and Gian, oh, short arms that layup. Scoreless dito ang Bayung Porac. They drop it down low. Arayat looking to score, in and out nga lang para dito kay Canlas. And Bayung Porac finally scoring this possession. Joren loses the basketball, and ito tumatakbo na naman itong Municipality of Arayat. Canlas puts it up and in against Gian Cruz. Harold Canlas now with 4 points in this ball game. Ante. They lob it up to Nino. Nino misfires. The Luzon, they go down low. Baseline jumper is short para dito. There's miscommunication there between Capulong and Vasquez. They turned the ball over, and bola pa rin ulit dito ng Municipality of Arayat. Let's look at that replay of that layup ni Harold. Canlas na points into his name. All 4 points of the ball game so far coming from the Municipality of Arayat's Harold Canlas. They come empty in that possession right there. You can see Coach Eddie Castillo, the head coach of the Municipality of Arayat, looking to finally get their first victory in this ball game. Joren, pick and roll with Gian. Gian wasn't ready to catch it. Turn over para dito sa Bayung Porac. Of course, once again, mga kabalin, this is game number 1 of 4 games today in this Friday quadruple header. Of course, we are live in Pampanga Facebook page, Pampanga_PIO YouTube channel, and of course, Sinag Liga TV as ito Joren Gigante with an easy layup right there. Finally, Jay Porac gets on the scoreboard. JM Gigante credit that layup off a steal. Scoop layup, no good. And ito, tumatakbo na naman ang Bayung Porac. And this is Miko Gigante scoring off the layups of the two Gigantes. The two Gigantes scoring of back-to-back baskets right here. A 14-0 run para dito sa Porac. Pare gives it. Oh, a sorry miss, but still a foul para dito kay Kian Borja, and he'll troop to the line for 2. 6 minutes and 2 seconds remaining in the first period dito. Wednesday or Friday quadruple header as Borja misses the first free throw. Look at that fast break layup once again by Miko Gigante on transition. So both points dito. No free throw make para dito sa Arayat. See on your screens. Kicks it to the corner. Three-pointer short. Para dito kay Kapulong. Oh, Nico tried to save it. Canalas on the run. He has 4 points. Oh, good challenge right there by JM Gigante. JM. A lot of time left in the shot clock. Baseline drive by Cruz. Or sorry, that's Nico Gigante, and he turns it over. For all ang ating score, we can see Coach Arvin Ibay right there, the head coach of Bayung Porac. Baseline drive. Oh, that's a thing of beauty galing dito kay Justin Daluso. Siyempre po sa mga nanonood ngayon sa Pampanga PIO Facebook.